Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. So I have a Frank Garcia Studio haul for you guys. I was enabled once again by Miss Anna, who is Serenity Creations. So sorry about if my voice sounds a little hoarse today. Just my allergies. Anyway, I had to make a purchase anyway because I was waiting for these to get restocked because I missed them the last time, so he restocked, so yay. I got my doodle pops and these are just too adorable. I couldn't help it, I had to get a couple of these. Okay, so I got that. I hope you guys were all able to take advantage of his Pink Friday sale because I sure did. So then so thank you Frank, thank you. All right, so you know what, well, since this is here, I got a couple of these folders because these, you guys, they went on sale for $5 each, and I thought that was such a great deal because you guys know these are usually $15 or up. So I went ahead and got two, and I just love the colors. This one here is gingham inside. Do you guys see that? Is that not so pretty? And I love this rainbow color. And I think this is Mintopia. This is part of the Mintopia collection, I guess. And then this one here, the inside, I don't know if you can see, it's a very light pink with white stripes on it. So can't wait to use those for, I'm probably going to use it for a December daily, I'm thinking. Okay, and then you guys, he was so sweet to include this because I don't recall ordering this. So thank you so much, Frank. I got a Paige Evans stamp set, and there's 10 pieces in there, and it includes some stamp pads. Do you guys see that? How fun is that? So thank you so much. And hold on. There was something else. There were a couple of other things that sweet Frank had given me. So these are also these are from Minte, and he gave me these. So you do have to fussy cut them, but sometimes I don't mind. Sometimes I love fussy cutting, even flowers. Yeah. So thank you so much. That was so sweet of you, Frank. And then this is a Minte, I don't know which collection this one is. I don't know if it says it, but these are the papers that he sells, and they're from Poland. Anyway, look how pretty. Gorgeous. I mean, you can just get inspiration from this one page right here. And then the back, oh, look at the back. That's beautiful. So thank you for that. And I don't know if that goes with those ephemera pieces that I'm supposed to fussy cut. And then he gave me some of these. So thank you so much. And these are POW glitter paper by American Crafts. So I don't know that I've used these kind of papers before, so thank you so much. So this is great, and I can use that for Christmas. All right, so this is the good part here. I didn't go crazy because, you know, I'm trying to be good. This is the new collection. It's called With Love by Frank Garcia. And you guys, oh my gosh, I had to get it. This is the journaling note cards, and I still didn't open it. If I do get journaling cards, usually I get the 3x4s, but I thought this would be great for those micro TNs or micro, just those little books that we're all crazy about making. Okay, so isn't that pretty? So I basically got it for the ones that go vertical. like, or the ones, you know, that the pattern, it doesn't matter how the pattern goes, like this one here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. So yes, I'm set for Valentine's Day. So this is so pretty. And like I said, you don't have to use her Valentine's Day because it's just like, especially this one. And then this one here, some kind of ad. Again, it's vertical. And I believe you do get 5 each. 1, 2, 3, oh sorry, 3 each of the journaling cards, and they're double-sided. Look how pretty. And then these, oh my gosh. Great collection, Frank. In love, in love. And even if you're not into vintage, you guys, you can still jazz these up. Because I've seen Frank do it. He just adds glitter and sparkle and that is so cute. I love it. You know, you just back these babies up with foil and glitter cardstock. How lucky am I to have a friend that makes living life even more wonderful? Isn't that? How sweet is that? Galentine. Perfect for Galentine. Oh, and I just love when he does these little cakes. These tiered cakes. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, and there's more. There is more. Look at the wreath. True friends are the ones that lift you up when no one else has noticed you've fallen. So this is definitely tiered. I'm still thinking of the tiered cake. Geared towards Galentine, it seems. Nice. All right. And then, of course, I had to get at least one of these charms because they're just too cute. And they can go with other collections. And look how pretty these jade and crystals are. Gorgeous. Therefore, I mean, that way, where did that come from? That way, you don't have to try to figure out the colors of the bling you're going to use. Because they go. Look at these. These are the puppy stickers. And I think I had 2 in my cart and then I took it out. Ugh, why did I do that? Because I got the ephemera. So he has 2, I think it's 2 ephemeras. So, oh gosh. I don't know if Anna did I hope she did. Because I'm not opening these right now. Let me know if you guys want me to go through this, but those are the ephemera pieces there. And normally I do, but there's so many. And these are ephemera too. So you can kind of see the difference. This is one on my right. Okay, and then we have the chipboard. Oh, the chipboard pieces. I just love chipboard pieces. Look at that. Swan. Pretty, pretty. Love it. Best friends. Love you the most. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the back, of course. Love that he gives you so many. Pretty, right? Oh my goodness. Okay. And then I was good, but who knows, I might have to go back and get some more. But this is the papers. These are the papers. And then you have, just love that one. Let's see if I can show you everything here. So this is the 12 by 12. And I think these are $1.10, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. Something like that. Look how cute. Love when he does that. So really pretty. Yes, I might have to pick up another one. This one is True Friendship. That first one was All That I Need, in case I didn't say that. Okay. So those are the journaling cards. Look how cute. Totally want to make that. And the only thing that I am missing, aside from more paper, is he had these like fluffy hearts, and I'm not sure what they're made out of, if they're made out of paper or tissue paper. Look how pretty, and oh my gosh. I need another one of these. I want to try to make that. And I have made some heart sachets before in the past, so I'm gonna see if I can go through my Tilda. Oh, there's the bag. And again, we have this collage of ads, it looks like. And then, oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. How gorgeous is this? Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And you have this page, and you have this beautiful layout, and it looks like the gold is kind of more of a rose gold because it's not as dark, so I think it's rose gold versus copper. And the bottom part, look at the bottom. Carry me in your heart. Ah, gorgeous and beautiful. Oh my gosh. So that is my small little haul. Thank you, Frank, so much for designing another amazing collection. Yes. All right, guys, check it out at Frank Garcia Studio. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.